The right dash cam doesn't just record footage, it protects your legal rights, your insurance premiums, and potentially thousands of dollars in false claims. The ROVE R2-4K Dual and Vantrue N4 Pro S both promise bulletproof evidence when you need it most, but one costs triple the other while the cheaper option wins awards for best value. By the time you finish this breakdown, you'll know exactly which camera delivers the protection you actually need without burning cash on features you'll never use. The N4 Pro S brings serious firepower with true 4K front recording using Sony's IMX678 STARVIS 2 sensor, the same sensor professional videographers trust. In 3-channel mode, you're capturing 4K front, 1080p inside, and 2.5K rear simultaneously. That 2.5K rear camera matters more than you'd think. It's 4 times sharper than standard 1080p, which translates to reading license plates clearly from several car lengths away. Switch to dual-channel mode, and you get 4K front paired with 2.5K rear, which runs 30% cooler and extends recording time significantly. The R2-4K Dual records 4K 2160p front footage at 30 frames per second using Sony's IMX675 STARVIS 2 sensor. The rear camera captures 1080p, which is perfectly adequate for most situations. You'll still catch license plates and driver faces from reasonable distances. Independent testing confirms both cameras can read plates from 3 to 4 vehicles ahead in daylight, which is exactly what insurance companies need to see. Here's what matters. Can you zoom into a screenshot and identify a fleeing vehicle? Both cameras pass that test convincingly. The N4 Pro S edges ahead with that 2.5K rear camera and optional cabin monitoring for rideshare drivers. But the R2-4K's dual-channel system handles everyday driving scenarios without breaking a sweat. This is where STARVIS 2 technology earns its reputation. Both cameras use Sony's latest low-light sensors specifically engineered for capturing detail in challenging conditions. Think poorly lit parking structures, unlit rural roads, or that dimly lit intersection where accidents cluster. The N4 Pro S combines its IMX678 sensor with proprietary night vision 4.0 technology and something Vantrue calls plate picks. This system delivers twice the license plate recognition accuracy of standard cameras in extreme low-light or backlit scenarios. The adaptive HDR adjusts exposure intelligently, preventing those blown-out halos around headlights that make footage unusable. Testing shows the N4 Pro S maintains excellent clarity even in shadows without introducing motion blur, critical when identifying moving vehicles at night. The R2-4K Dual counters with an f1.5 aperture on the front camera and f1.8 on the rear, wider apertures than most competitors, allowing substantially more light to hit the sensor. Real-world testing confirms this camera captures vivid colors and sharp details in low-light environments that would leave lesser cameras producing grainy, unusable footage. Multiple users report successfully reading plates and road signs even in dark conditions. Both cameras handle night recording admirably, but if you frequently drive in extremely dark rural areas or poorly lit urban zones, the N4 Pro S's advanced night vision system provides measurable advantages that could matter when you need that footage most. The N4 Pro S offers a massive 165-degree front view, 165-degree interior view, and 160-degree rear camera. That front angle captures everything from the columns on either side of your windshield, though testing reveals actual field of view measures about 30% narrower than claimed, which is industry-standard exaggeration. Still, combined coverage approaches true 360-degree monitoring when all 3 channels are active. The R2-4K Dual provides 150 degrees front and 140 degrees rear. Slightly narrower but still exceptionally wide. Independent testing confirms these cameras, despite manufacturer claims running high, deliver approximately 200 degrees of combined coverage. That's more than sufficient to capture adjacent lanes and peripheral activity. Any wider and fisheye distortion starts diluting critical details. For rideshare drivers or parents monitoring teenage drivers, that cabin camera on the N4 Pro S justifies its existence. For everyone else, the R2-4K's dual-channel coverage handles the job beautifully. Both cameras use supercapacitors instead of lithium batteries, a crucial design choice that extends lifespan in extreme temperatures. Your car's interior can hit 150 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit in summer heat. Traditional battery-equipped cameras fail within months under those conditions. Supercapacitors handle temperature swings from -4°F to 140 degrees Fahrenheit without degradation. The R2-4K Dual includes a windshield suction mount, plus a 3M adhesive mount for permanent installation. The package comes loaded: dual USB fast car charger, 6.5-meter rear camera cable, cable clips, trim tool, cleaning supplies, and a free 128 GB micro SD card. Setup takes roughly 30 minutes following clear instructions, and the camera powers on automatically with your ignition. The N4 Pro S arrives similarly equipped with IP67 waterproof-rated rear camera, essential for trucks, SUVs, and RVs where that camera faces outdoor elements. The 20-foot rear cable handles larger vehicles, and the hardwire kit supports true 24/7 parking mode. Installation difficulty matches the R2-4K, though the 3-camera system demands slightly more routing. Both support up to 1 TB microSD cards with loop recording that automatically overwrites oldest footage. The G-sensor locks emergency clips during impacts, preventing accidental deletion. Both cameras offer 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity for transferring footage to your smartphone. The R2-4K Dual advertises up to 20 MB per second download speeds through the ROVE app, fast enough to grab a critical clip in under 20 seconds. The app handles settings management, GPS playback on PC or Mac, and over-the-air firmware updates. User feedback confirms the app works reliably, though some note occasional connection delays. The N4 Pro S uses the Vantrue app for instant video transfer, live preview, and OTA updates that install in 15 seconds. The app receives praise for seamless syncing, with users reporting video transfers completing in seconds. Voice control lets you command the camera to lock footage or capture photos without touching anything. Legitimately useful when maintaining focus on driving matters. Both cameras include built-in GPS logging precise driving routes, speed stamps, and location data directly onto footage. Invaluable evidence that establishes exactly where and how fast you were traveling during an incident. The R2-4K Dual offers 3 parking modes: 1 frame per second time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. When an event triggers, the camera records a full 1-minute video, locks it in the event folder, and alerts you via voice guidance when you restart your car. This requires a hardwire kit sold separately. The N4 Pro S provides comprehensive 24/7 parking surveillance with buffered motion detection that captures 10 seconds before the trigger event, meaning you'll see what led to the incident, not just the impact itself. Low frame rate and low bitrate modes maximize storage for long-term monitoring. All 3 cameras remain active while parked, delivering complete coverage. This also requires hardwire installation but provides arguably the most thorough parking protection available. The ROVE R2-4K Dual wins this comparison decisively for the vast majority of drivers, and the pricing makes this verdict undeniable. At around $150 with a free 128GB card included, you're getting award-winning dual-channel 4K recording, excellent night vision, comprehensive features, and build quality that rivals cameras costing twice as much. Independent testing consistently ranks the R2-4K among the best value dashcams available. It doesn't sacrifice performance to hit that price point. For typical commuting, weekend trips, general legal protection, and peace of mind, the R2-4K delivers every critical feature you actually need without forcing you to pay for professional-grade capabilities you'll probably never use. The video quality captures license plates clearly in day and night conditions. The included accessories cover complete installation, and the Supercapacitor ensures years of reliable operation. Now, if you're a rideshare driver who legally needs cabin footage of passenger interactions, the Vantrue N4 Pro S at around $400 becomes the necessary investment. That third camera angle, 2.5K rear resolution, advanced night vision system, and superior parking mode justify the premium for professional drivers or those facing extreme security needs. The 18-month warranty and professional-grade engineering deliver peace of mind for high-stakes scenarios. But for personal vehicles where dual-channel coverage handles your needs perfectly, spending triple the money nets you marginal improvements that won't impact your actual experience. The R2-4K's performance matches or exceeds cameras costing hundreds more. That's extraordinary value that's tough to ignore. So there it is, the complete story without the marketing spin. Both cameras perform exceptionally in their respective categories, but one delivers unmatched value while the other serves specialized professional needs. You'll find direct links to both the ROVE R2-4K Dual and the Vantrue N4 Pro S in the description below, whichever fits your specific situation. If this breakdown gave you the clarity you needed to make a confident decision, consider subscribing to Pro Product Comparison for more honest, detailed comparisons that cut through the noise and help you buy smarter. Drive safe out there.